Hey there guys, just want to get a quick video on the Leatherman Juice, and we've got the Juice S2 right here. And this is the newer version out of the two. This has been retired. This whole line has been retired. The entire Juice line, actually. There's a whole bunch of them. And my favorites are the CS4 and the S2. Now let's go over the tool set very quickly. This is Nuttin' Fancy's recommendation, and I hope Leatherman brings this back as well as the CS4. Bring back the entire the Juice line. That'll be great. So this tool set has been missing. This size range for Leatherman has been missing the last couple of years. I purchased this one new in box for $53. It was $69.99 when they retired it, and got it from REI. These are now going for new in box for about $180 to $200 on eBay. I purchased this one for $35 used, and the seller actually made a mistake, thought it was a CS4, and was not transparent about the broken scissor. Anyway, I don't want to spend too much time on this. I want to make a short review. You've got a pair of scissors, and you got your can opener. The blade, I'll leave that out, is where the change is between these two models. So the average used condition S2 on eBay sells for about $60 to $70, and you can get them for about even $100 for the sort of one in better condition, but in used condition it's maybe 60, 70 bucks. Brand new, I saw some were going for around 200 bucks, like I said. Now you see the version here with this inlay, and this is actually heavier. This is 4.6 and this is 4.3 ounces. This is 4.3 on the left and 4.6 ounces on the right. And it's interesting because the blade is actually shorter. That's the one thing that people complain about in the forums. So let's go over the tool set. You've got yourself a nice outside opening blade, your pair of scissors. You got to put the scissors in first, and you've got your tool set on the inside. You've got your small Phillips, medium-sized flathead. Small flathead, medium-sized flathead, and you've got your larger flathead. Little bit of prying. I wouldn't pry with that. Carry a pry tool. And on the other side, you've got a 3D Phillip head with your lanyard there hidden as well. Now the great thing about the Juice line is you could buy an accessory kit. This one being the square sort of bit driver. This is a 1/4 inch. It'll fit a 1/4 inch hex drive. 1/4 inch bits, and you now have extended the length of your screwdriver, and you could accommodate not just the Leatherman bits but regular bits as well. You put that away, and those bit driver sets, this particular one will sell for about $30 to $40 depending where you buy them. Let me put those on the side. Now let me just bring in for size comparison the Leatherman Squirt and the Wave. So this tool has pretty much remained unused for me through the years, especially as the amount of, the value had gone up. One of the big reasons is that the plier head falls in between that of the size of the Squirt and the Wave. So as I was saying, the Juice S2, or the Juice series in general, the plier heads fall right in between the keychain size and the 4-inch and full-sized Leatherman, or multi-tools in this case. So if you look at them from the side, you could tell the difference in the amount of material, in the size of the plier head. And I've seen a lot of photos of broken pliers from the Juice line, and I think they just force it to do more than what it was designed to do. So there's not much more that this plier head can do than the squirt can do, in my experience. And that's one of the reasons why I usually just keep the squirt. Now the beauty of the S2 is that you have you can argue that it is still a more capable plier head, and you do have that outside opening blade and a very nice pair of scissors. It dwarfs the scissors in the Wave, as you can see. Now that is where the Juice S2 shines. And the nice thing about the Juice S2 is that yes, you can fit this whole tool in your pocket. And this is kind of tough. You know, some people put a pocket clip on it, but it's pretty tough to keep that in your pocket. It's pretty big. So usually if I carry that at my job, it's in a sheath, but I never really carry this in pocket. So you know, the Juice S2, I wish they would bring it back. It's been missed for a very long time. Anyway, guys, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you later.